I got a wig just a couple days ago from UniWigs. So here is her color, very blonde. Platinum. Creamy platinum. She does have a root that is, I guess, about a medium brown. Let me show you the inside of her cap. Feels super soft. So she's got a hand-tied cap. She's got some silicone on the ear tabs, and there's a metal stay in there. And then there's some silicone tabs on the nape. And then she's got a mono top, no lace front. So let's put her on, see what she looks like. Oh boy, I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Okay, oh my Marilyn Monroe moment. Okay, now the hair is really pretty. This is human hair, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that. Hair is really, really pretty. The style, ooh, oh my, I love the style. This is blonde. I think that, now it does have the rooting underneath. So, yeah, I think it's a little light for me. I'll have to play around with my makeup. This is just an unboxing just to show you the wig and my initial reaction, because I thought this would be fun since I knew it was so light blonde. Oh my. Holy blonde hair, Batman. This is blonde. Wow. Okay, so let me do a turn so we can see the style all the way around. Cute. Seems to be a little angled. I think it's a little bit angled. Really, really cute. Okay, so you've seen me in blonde. Ooh, I don't know. I'm feeling like sexier and sexier as we go on here. Ooh. So, but I love, the hair is really nice, very soft. It's a beautiful piece. I mean, it's a beautiful wig. I don't know that this is the best color for me, but it is kind of fun. Cap is super comfortable. She's very light and very comfortable. So, there you have her. Kim by UniWigs. I'm kind of feeling that way. I feel like a spy. Oh, I might find out your secrets. You better watch out. Really fun. Okay, just wanted to show her to y'all.